Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this Baoveri Sonic electric toothbrush with 8 brush heads. It has 5 different modes, 3 intensity levels, 2 minutes more time, 4-hour fast charge, and the charge lasts for a whopping 60 days, which is the highest level what I've ever seen. Also the amount of vibrations are some of the highest, 42,000 vibrations per minute. That's absolutely awesome. And so we have it here, everything out of the box. By the way, it's also important to look very quickly at the instructions manual, and what we can see that it's a very nice instructions manual with very large letters writing. I haven't seen such a nice, very detailed, easy to read instructions manual in long time. This can be also very helpful. So what we have regarding the brushes, we have 2 times these W-shaped brushes and we have 6 times these U-shaped brushes. I'm going to show you the difference. By the way, for both of them we have these nice single protections here, and again we can see the difference. Maybe I hold them in front of this black box and you can see the huge difference below the U shape and above the W shape. That's also a little bit of a difference regarding the strength. The W shaped is a little bit softer and the U shape is a little bit harder. And the blue part, what you can see, this will fade away over time. So as soon as you don't see the blue part anymore, it's time to replace the brushes. That's the thing here. And both can be very helpful, so you can decide on your own which one is the best. And here we have the brush itself. I would say it's a very beautiful one, has a really nice grip, really nice, beautiful matte finish. This is definitely above average regarding the style, but we have to charge it as well, of course. Regarding charge, we get this proprietary charging cable. I mean, it's not really proprietary, it's just not standard USB, but this is actually what we get on a regular basis. I would say about 90% of all such toothbrushes are using such or very similar charging cable. I would say about probably it's exactly the same thing here, and the reason why they are using that is to make it as waterproof as ever possible. So I think it's a good thing. And here on this side we have the normal standard USB-A, which we can plug in into any kind of standard USB outlet. After 4 hours of charging, we see this steady green light, which means it's fully charged, and then we decide for the right brush, and you can see it's very easy to apply. I mean, easy, it doesn't get loose, or so it has a really nice hold but not too strong, so you can easily replace the brush if needed. And it's easy to operate. We have this on-off button, and then it goes into the last setting which we have selected before. But if we want to change that, it's very easy. With this M mode selector here, we can switch between the different functions. You can see just a short press and then it cycles through all the settings. But we do not have only different modes, we have also different strengths. When we long press here, it switches into different strengths. Now we are on a low strength, now we long press, goes into medium strengths, long press again goes into stronger strengths. And for all the different strengths we have the different modes, as you can see, so we can choose between all the different modes and different strengths individually and turn it on and off as we want. It always will go back into the same position. This is as perfect as it gets. And by the way, you can also switch between the different modes when the toothbrush is not actively running. You can see when I just press here, it will also cycle through these programs here. The only thing which I cannot do when it's not working is changing the speed. No matter how long I press here, it's not changing the intensity. And so I've tested already this toothbrush with both of the tips, and they both are working really nice. They are very comfortable, very smooth, but still strong enough to clean very thoroughly. I have tested a couple of different settings. They are working in a very different way. You can definitely feel a huge difference, but all are really nice. It's very easy to use with all these functions. It has a very nice grip. This is what I really like. compared to the ones which have a really shiny surface here. This has much more grip, so this is a really nice thing. And also you can see it is round, but it's not rolling away endlessly. So if you have it on a countertop, it won't roll away and drop to the floor. This is also very convenient. So for me, definitely works really good. I can give you full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.